Yo, market's opening in a minute. Just doing my analysis. We've got this big 4 hour gap. We opened yesterday or like last night, and straight away dumped, created an opening gap, but we filled in the opening gap already. We've come down, we've swept out this low down here, and tapped into a few of these. That's also into these fair value gaps, and then we've sort of had a little reaction off of that. We have this hourly fair value gap that we haven't inversed, so right now we're respecting it. Filling in this 15-minute gap here, we could expect some reactions off of that, so we'll just see. Right, I'll get rid of that because I know that we're in an hourly. We could come up and fill in this 4 hour, then go down lower. If that's potentially what we want to do. See if what the S&P is saying. The S&P has already filled in the fair value gap, the 4 hour. $15 doing the same thing, filling in this 15-minute and respecting this hourly. Market's just open. We'll see what it does. If we come down and sweep this out, then just carry on going higher. That could be good. I wouldn't mind that. Ooh, especially if ES creates an S&T. Swept it out. 1 minute. No fair value gap. 30-second. We'll see if we get fair value gap. No fair value gap. Closed. Shit. Like the look of this 15-second.
Order filled.
Fuck it, I'm in. That's a bad idea, I think. That's a bad idea, Frankie. What am I doing? What am I doing? Come on, please hit. I've only risked 249. I'm going to break even here. We've just taken out, I'm going to break even here. Because since we've taken it out on ES. We've taken out the 15-minute high. I know we're so close to break even right now, but yeah, it is what it is. I might add to the position if we close above this. Nah, I'll just leave it as is. But we're in a risk-free trade right now.
Order filled.
We're out of the trade. Right, let's actually lock in because that was bad. I took the 15-second. It's still a good setup, but yeah, it's very unlikely to take a 15-second trade. Well, yeah, it's still a good setup. I'm not doubting that, but yeah, I'm glad to be out of it, to be honest. Especially with ES. I think we definitely made the right decision. I made the right decision. Going break even at this high. Got a big SMT. Got this hourly high on the S&P, sorry. Could look at a re-sweep inverse. Or maybe we are just going down now. Because these lows. This 1 minute. If I see good displacement up, I'll take a short long. Just because I'd still like to see. I'd love to see the 4 hour get tapped into on NAS, even though it doesn't. But it doesn't necessarily have to. Because it's already happened on ES. But we'll see. Not looking good for longs right now though. No reactions to the upside. We swept again. To be fair, shorts look good on ES. There's no fair value gaps or 15 minute. No like this is all just chops. This is all like low resistance liquidity. Yeah, we could be going all the way down to these, as I was just saying. This is all just low resistance liquidity. This is the main draw, really. Yeah, it's a low inside of the fair value gap. It's much more clean. So if price wants to go down, then it should go all the way down to here. Very lucky to get away with a break even on a long. Still a valid setup, I'd say. And the target was taken out, is just taken out on ES rather than NASDAQ. So it's a dub for the setup. I'm calling it a dub. Right, we've taken out the low. So we could, in theory, inverse here. We could use the 5 minute as a target if we inverse this 3 minute. But it's not ideal, I don't think. If we had inverse this 1 minute gap, confirming that we were respecting this 5 minute gap on ES, then that would fill me a bit more confidence that price wanted to go higher. But right now I'm not really getting that. We got this nice 15 minute low inside of fair value gap. Yeah, I'm not liking it, but we're still respecting bullish structure right now. I would just like to see a bit more. Whoa, we're getting a reaction up now, but I mean it's not yeah, not like I can take this really. Stop loss was just a bit too big, but the setup's valid. Yeah, I'd break even at this 15 minute. Maybe take out a contract here, which is why I can't. Which is why the stop loss is too big, because it'd only be one contract, so I couldn't take out a contract of one contract unless I'd just full TP there, which is valid. But yeah. That's alright. Could get a reaction off of this 15 minute. And then continuation lower, potentially. This could potentially be the trade. I feel like I am just tracing price movement now whenever it gets to this. I mean, it's not late in the session, but after a move has already been made. That's, you know, this target's been taken out. There's nothing really to the downside whatsoever. So this hourly down here, but like it's just a bunch of low resistance stuff. I want to see some really good displacement though. Break even here. And no inverse. No inverse. So that's that. Fuck this shit. Nothing's playing out. So annoying. Right, yeah, price is chopped. It's inverse. Swept. Like, it's done. Everything that. Yeah, and there's just nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do with this. Yeah, we had that one trade earlier. Break even trade. that probably shouldn't have taken, but got lucky. Yeah, that's that. So hopefully, got that Monday trade out of the way. Luckily, it was a break even, and the rest of the week I've been a bit more calm, a bit more composed, and then take the good trades. So yeah, that's that.